How to unlink WhatsApp from Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook, log into your account, then click on three lines located on top right, then go to your profile. After you're on your profile, you'll find Edit Profile option beside Add Story and three dots. Click on Edit Profile and in here scroll down. Scroll down till you find Links option. In Links option, simply click on Edit. After you click on Edit, you will find WhatsApp option in here. Simply click on Remove WhatsApp and your WhatsApp will be removed. Click on Save on top right and then you're good to go. This is how to unlink WhatsApp from Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am so